we spent $150 on the ad, and yeah, we instantly got like $22,000 worth of work from it. And then we are quite busy from it, so I just straight away turned it off. Liam Trebilco, we run Southern Staircases down in Melbourne, Australia.
Amazing. What problem did you have that made you reach out?
It was the end of last year, the last 2 months, we were getting like absolutely no work come in, which was weird because it was like the Christmas period as well. So usually trades are like pretty crazy then. So yeah, we had like literally nothing coming in. So we're looking for other work elsewhere. And then yeah, Brandon ended up popping up on my screens. So I thought we'd give that a go.
Mm. Um, if you had any, what hesitations did you have before buying, and then what got you over the line at the end?
It was more so because like being staircases, I thought it was a bit too niche. Like it's not like general carpentry or stuff. And we're sort of looking to just get in with like builders and developers rather than like one-off projects. So I
Mhm.
wasn't too sure how that was going to sort of pan out. And
Yeah.
then Jack ended up giving me a call, and then he just told me about like all the other niche businesses, like the swim school and stuff that
Mm.
yous had. And I was like, oh well, if it works for them, we'll give it a go.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Um, big one. Tell me about your results. What's changed within your business? What results have you got? Give me some stats. If you went from like this to this, give me everything.
Yeah, so we've only really run the one ad that like I posted about the other day, and yeah, that we spent $150 on the ad, and yeah, we instantly got like $22,000 worth of work from it, and then we are quite busy from it, so I just straight away turned it off,
Yeah,
and
right.
yeah,
So the one ad has generated $150 for a 22,000 return.
yeah, it's pretty crazy.
So crazy. I love it though. It makes me
Yeah.
excited.
But then
Yeah,
I'm
amazing.
trying to get the Facebook ads and set up because we're starting a new like service. We're gonna get into attic spaces.
Yeah, right.
And
Cool.
yeah, I'm trying to set up all the Facebook ads for that at the moment. So
What effect so far has it had on you, like personally and professionally, like sort of getting this happen?
it's just, yeah, it takes a lot of stress off us, like not having to, it's just a lot easier to find the work. So we're spending like a lot less time, like putting cards out on sites and whatnot. So
Hmm.
that's good.
Yeah, cool. Amazing. What have you valued learning the most and appreciated the most about sort of the workshop, the program, and like the support you've gotten?
The support's pretty crazy. The fact
Mhm.
that like messages are replied to in the hour and then just all the calls we can jump on and whatnot. And then, yeah, literally just having our problems sorted out for us in front of our eyes. Like that's unreal.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's probably the best
Yeah,
thing.
amazing. Last one, if anyone was unsure about booking in a call, like to get onto the program or inquire, or they were sort of on the fence, what would you say to them?
Honestly, just do it. Like we were on the fence for a while and then,
Mm.
yeah, we wish we did it sooner. But then when we got into the course, I took ages to set everything up. And
Mm.
then like it was mainly a time thing though. So like if you're in the course, make sure you got the time to set everything up and just do it straight away. Like don't
Yeah.
dilly-dally because yeah, the um return on investment's pretty crazy.